Hi all, I am Mohammad Altaf. In this video you are watching that the shuttle has completed successfully its first year, that is 1 year has been completed in Hyderabad. So on this occasion shuttle has given gifts to its shuttlers in the evening buses ride. So this was the bag where shuttle has given some gift to its shuttlers in thanksgiving for making it such a huge success and making it more wider in the city of Hyderabad. So on this occasion of completion of 1 year in Hyderabad, in this bag we have received a thank you message from Shuttle. You can see that thank you for making this journey extra special. Refer your loved ones to Shuttle and ease their office commute. Earn credits along the way. Share your Shuttle moment on social media, tag us and win even more Shuttle credits. And behind of this we have the message that yay, we just turned 1 in Hyderabad. We thank each and every one of you who continue to support us in taking away pain from office commute. Keep shuttling. Shuttle. Then we got a pen in this cover. You can see it's such a beautiful pen from Shuttl. Then we received one diary, taking away pain from office commute, book, ride and chill. So this was all about this video where I have shown you the gift what I have received from Shuttl on completion of 1 year in Hyderabad. So if you have any doubts related how to book seats in Shuttl, how to cancel Shuttl ride or how to reschedule Shuttl rides, then you can go to my channel Live Attitudiously. You have every video available on Shuttl, such as how to book seats in Shuttl, how to cancel Shuttl ride, how to reschedule Shuttl ride. Then I have also given the live pickup point boarding demo also I have given for the viewers. So if you please like this video, please do like, share, subscribe my channel, and also if you have any queries, comment in the comment section. Thank you so much.